Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to draw a rectangle with exact dimensions in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Autocad and either create a new drawing or open an existing project where you want to add the rectangle. Once your workspace is ready, move your attention to the command line located at the bottom of the screen. Type rectangle into the command line. You can also type the shortcut REC to save time. Press Enter to activate the rectangle command. After pressing Enter, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the first corner point. Click anywhere on the drawing area to choose the starting point of your rectangle. This first point becomes the base corner from which the rectangle will be created. Before entering dimensions, make sure dynamic input is enabled. To enable dynamic input, press F12 on your keyboard. Once enabled, you'll notice small input boxes appear near your cursor whenever you draw. These boxes allow you to type exact measurements directly while drawing. Now move your cursor away from the starting point. You'll see fields where you can enter the width and height of the rectangle. Type the first dimension you want for the rectangle. For example, you can type 5,000 for the width. Press the Tab key to switch to the next dimension field. Now type the second dimension for the height. For example, you can enter 3,000. After entering both values, press Enter. AutoCAD will instantly create a rectangle using the exact dimensions you entered. This method is much more accurate than drawing rectangles manually with the mouse. Using exact dimensions is especially important when working on engineering drawings, floor plans, mechanical designs, or architectural projects. If the rectangle appears too small or too large on the screen, simply zoom in or out using your mouse wheel. You can also modify the rectangle later using commands like stretch, scale, or properties if needed. Another useful tip is to always double-check your units before drawing. Make sure your AutoCAD project is set to millimeters, meters, inches, or whichever unit system your project requires. Practicing with exact dimensions will improve your precision and make your drawings look far more professional. Once you become comfortable with this process, creating accurate shapes inside AutoCAD becomes very fast and efficient. That's it! You now know how to draw a rectangle with exact dimensions in AutoCAD quickly and accurately. If I help you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.